In the heart of the vast savannah, there lived a wise old elephant named Moyo. His tusks were long and curved, a testament to his many years wandering the plains. Moyo had a secret that none of the other animals knew about. Beneath a great baobab tree, hidden by tall grasses and thorny bushes, was a watering hole that never dried up. For generations, Moyo's ancestors had guarded its location, revealing it only to their offspring when the time was right. One scorching summer, the savannah was struck by a terrible drought. The waterholes and rivers all dried up, and the animals were desperately searching for water. Elephants, zebras, lions, and even the wary antelopes ventured further and further away from their territories, hoping to find a drop of water. Moyo watched as the animals grew thinner and weaker. The sight of the young ones suffering was especially hard for him to bear. One day, a young elephant named Callie approached Moyo. Callie had always admired Moyo and respected his wisdom. "Moyo, my family is struggling," Callie said, her voice tinged with despair. "We need water, or else we won't survive." Moyo knew it was time. He could not let his fellow creatures perish when he held the key to their salvation. "Follow me," he said to Callie, and together they walked through the dry grasslands to the hidden baobab tree. When they arrived, Moyo pushed aside the grasses to reveal the secret watering hole. Callie's eyes widened in amazement. "This has been here all along?" she asked. Moyo nodded. "It is our duty to protect each other and share our resources when times are dire. Gather the others and bring them here." Callie rushed back and soon returned with a parade of animals of all kinds. They drank deeply from the fresh, cool water. Their spirits revived. The savannah buzzed with life once more as the animals bonded over their shared haven. As the drought wore on, Moyo watched with satisfaction as the secret of the watering hole brought the animals closer together. It was no longer a hidden sanctuary, but a symbol of unity and compassion. And so, the animals of the savannah learned the importance of sharing and looking out for one another, thanks to the wisdom of the old elephant, Moyo.